The Boeing F-47 NGAD isn't just another fighter jet. It's America's bold answer to a rising challenge from across the Pacific. For years, China has been rapidly expanding its air fleet. Stealth fighters are rolling out of their factories faster than ever before, and their long-range missile systems now push deeper into the Pacific, threatening the balance of power. This is no longer a slow race. It's a sprint. Every new development in Beijing sends ripples across the globe, raising one urgent question. Can the United States maintain air dominance in the skies of tomorrow? That's why the U.S. Air Force turned to Boeing, not with a suggestion, but with a direct order. Build a jet that can not only compete with China's newest fighters, but outmatch them in every way. A jet that can see farther, strike faster, and survive in the most hostile environments. The result is the F-47 NGAD, a sixth-generation fighter designed from the ground up for the future of warfare.
Equipped with advanced stealth, adaptive engines, AI-assisted combat systems, and the ability to command drone wingmen, it's more than a fighter. It's a flying command center. The mission is clear. Keep the skies firmly in American hands. The F-47 isn't just about today's battles. It's about shaping the wars of tomorrow. And in the race for air superiority, there is no second place.
Why America needed the F-47?
For decades, America's fighters, like the F-22 Raptor and the F-35 Lightning II, ruled the skies without question. They were unmatched symbols of power, speed, and advanced technology. But the world has changed. Across the Pacific, China has been closing the gap. Their defense industry is producing stealth aircraft at a rapid pace. While new radar and missile systems extend their reach farther than ever before, what was once a comfortable lead for the United States is now a race against time. Experts have warned injustice. From that warning, a new vision was born, the F-47 NGAD, the next-generation air dominance fighter. This is not a simple replacement for aging jets. It is a leap forward designed to outfly, outthink, and outfight anything else in the air. With adaptive engines, enhanced stealth, AI-driven systems, and the ability to command unmanned wingmen, the F-47 is more than a jet. It is the future of air combat. The message to the world is clear. If China or any adversary seeks to challenge U.S. air power, they will face the most advanced fighter ever built. The F-47 NGAD exists to ensure that no matter the battlefield of tomorrow, America's skies.
The F-47's first weapon.
In war, speed matters. The faster jet often wins the first move. But survival matters more. The Boeing F-47 NGAD was built with one principle. Every angle of the F-47 has a purpose. Its unique shape scatters radar signals in countless directions, leaving enemy radars blind. Advanced coatings absorb what little reflection remains, making the jet appear like nothing more than a faint whisper on a radar screen, if it appears at all. This stealth means more than invisibility. It means control. The F-47 can move deep into hostile airspace, gather intelligence, track enemy forces, and strike critical targets, all before an opponent even knows it's there. And when it strikes first. Equipped with next-generation weapons and unmatched sensor systems, the F-47 ensures that every engagement begins on America's terms. By the time the enemy reacts, it's already too late. The jet has vanished,